Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandy Hook, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Sandy Hook, Matawan, Highlands, Navesink, Keyport, Rumson, North Middletown, and Strathmore. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 118 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly